If you're like everyone else, you've probably bought several bags of oranges in the past few weeks and have been enjoying all your favorite orange-flavored foods and drinks. What do you do with your orange peels? Do you just throw them away? There are a lot of orange peel uses you can try at home. Check out the amazing things you can do with orange peels, something you probably throw away. 1. Keep your shoes smelling fresh. Stop worrying about storing stinky shoes in the closet. Before putting them away, place a sachet filled with orange peels in each shoe. The peels will absorb the odor and keep your shoes smelling fresh for a long time. 2. Make candles. To make an orange candle, cut the orange in half and remove the middle part, leaving the stem intact. Fill the rind with your choice of oil. Make sure to leave a few inches from the top of the stem, as it will serve as your wick. 3. Deodorize refrigerator, garbage disposals, and bins. A smelly fridge and garbage disposal could make anyone lose their appetite. You could keep your refrigerator smelling fresh for days with just half an orange. Fill up an orange peel with salt and put it in a bowl. Place the bowl in the fridge and let it do the work. 4. Create a natural cleaner. Stop using chemicals to clean your home. Orange peels are perfect natural cleaners you can use for almost anything. Add orange peels in a bottle of vinegar and store it for a few weeks in the refrigerator. Shake it occasionally. When you're ready to use it, transfer the mixture into a spray bottle. You can use this on floors, windows, and other types of surfaces. 5. Get rid of soap scums and water stains. Water stains and soap scum are unsightly. They also won't give you a good impression. If you're entertaining guests, make sure your glassware and metal fixtures are spot-free. To remove soap scum, fill a sink with warm water and add some orange peels. Soak your glassware for 5 minutes. The citric acid from the orange peel will wash away the cloudiness caused by minerals and soap scum. 6. Make orange tea. One of the favorite benefits of orange peel among people who love tea is that you can use it to make your favorite drink. The best part? No need for tea bags. Dry organic rinds for a few days and steep them in hot water when you want to have a nice cup of citrusy tea. 7. Keep brown sugar soft. Storing brown sugar could harden it over time. You can avoid this by putting a slice or two of orange peel in the container. The rind releases oil that helps draw moisture away from sugar, preventing it from solidifying. When used this way, the rind could last up to a month. Just put a date on the container so you don't forget to replace the orange peel.